how to log into Amazon Prime with another account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How To Apps. This is me, Dipen Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily log into Amazon Prime with another account. Now unfortunately, since if I open up the Amazon Prime, the screen will turn black, so I won't be able to show you, but I'll just be guiding you through. First thing first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Amazon account or Amazon application, Amazon Prime Video, and once you do so, you should get an interface with various options at the bottom of your screen. Right, you'll get home and all sorts of options. You want to simply tap on your profile option at the bottom right corner of your screen, and once you do so, there you'll find a gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. First, head into your profile option at the bottom right corner of your screen and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you'll get varieties of option on settings. You want to simply tap on my account option, and once you tap on my account option, there you'll get three different options: to manage account, delete account, and sign out. You want to simply tap on sign out, and once you sign out, you'll be headed into sign in page again, and from there you want to enter in your login details and log into your other account. So this way you can easily log into Amazon Prime with another account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.